Okay, this is DXY, which is the dollar. For me as a trader, I like having a bigger view of what DXY is doing because I trade mainly Eurusd USD and GBP USD. So DXY is more like my best friend. DXY is my best friend. Why? So I like coming to DXY because DXY is more like my best friend. Reason being, I trade mainly Euro USD and GBP USD. So DXY has to be your best friend. So as you can see here, if I zoom in, okay, let me first zoom out. Let's see what the market is doing. I really don't trade much of indicators and always just pure price action. I'm sure you see all these lines that I draw. This is due to my own strategy. It makes me. It's more like me marking the highs and the lows and all of that. So I'm not sure it use some of you, but I understand what I can see. So does my student. So this was our first sell on DXY, which I took the trade. As you can see, the trade at this level. When I mean I took a sell on DXY, I meant I took a buy on Euro USD. Because one thing you need to understand is this. Let's say, for example, this is what um, DXY is doing. This chart pattern is what I drew here. This is DXY. This is exactly what Euro USD would be doing. Can you see? So if DXY is selling, automatically you have to buy Euro USD. You don't even need to do market analysis or whatever it's called. You don't need to analyze the market. You don't need to analyze Euro USD. As long as you have analyzed DXY and you already know the movement that the market is trying to go to, just go to the opposite movement on Euro USD. It's that easy. When I mean go through the opposite movement, I don't mean you should enter the trade without using stop loss or all of that. You need to use stop loss and all. But what I'm trying to tell you is DXY is just the flip side of Euro USD. You can do your own um research yourself. I don't want to get deep into that. That's not why I made this video. Probably I would make other videos to explain that. So now you can see that the reason for me taking this trade was very simple. I had this IA marked, and this trade was actually a sell limit. I think I would, when I make this video, I will edit the sell limit into the video so you can see, because I remember price was at this point when I already set my sell limit here. So I waited for price to come and trigger my entry right here. And I'm sure a lot of people will ask that why was I sure that the market is going to come and trigger there? It's very simple, very simple. We have different of all of us is actually to make money from the financial market. So you just need to, and all strategy works. If you are still using the resistance and support or whatever it's called, it still works. If you are still using trend line, it still works. Just find what works for you and stick to it. And you sticking to it, you have to always know that there's room for learning. You have to always grow your strategy to, always look for it. Everything works in trading. You get what I'm saying? So now, boom, we took the first trade. Then this second entry for a sell, you can see what the market did. The market came here. I think it was the news that gave us this push. The market sold, then broke this high, broke this high, then boom, came here, created a structure here. If we go to the 15 minutes, we can see the structure very clearly. Look at the little structure right here. You can see that I mark this eye and this eye. If the market happen to break this eye, then obviously I'm not going to be going for a sell anymore. But since the market has reached to break this eye, so there's an high chance that the market is going to come down to this level. Then probably when it comes back to this level, it can do something like this. Boom, then boom, then go back up. This is just their day setup. This is just a day trade setup. So now, what do we have here? Now, boom. I took the entry, and the market has been consolidating for a very long time. So now I'm just going to wait. I already have a buy on Eurusd USD. So I'm just going to hold my buy. I'm holding my buy. I've closed partial profits and I've breaked even on the trade as well. But I'm going to hold my buy, which is holding the sell on DXY. So yeah, that's it.